To begin round 14, we chain 1, skip the stitch in front of the chain 1, and double crochet on the next stitch 3 times. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Double crochet 2 together on the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. So we made 2 incomplete stitches, then yarn over and draw up a loop and draw through all loops on hook. We're decreasing by 1 stitch here, and that's the reason for the 2 together stitch. Then double crochet on the next stitch, repeat it 9 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we pass the front post double crochet by 1 stitch, so we will skip this one and mark the next 2 stitches on each side of the next front post double crochet. So go back and make an incomplete front post double crochet, then skip the stitch, and then incomplete front post double crochet on the next front post double crochet. And the tip of the diamond is made. This is the beginning of repeating stitches. So after making a front post double crochet, then we double crochet on the next marker stitch and repeat a total of 9 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Double crochet 2 together on next 2 stitches. So we made a decrease, then double crochet a total of 9 times on every stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then skip this next stitch and mark the next 2 stitches bordering the next front post double crochet. Then go back and do an incomplete front post double crochet. Skip this unmarked stitch and do an incomplete front post double crochet on the next front post double crochet. Then yarn over and complete the stitches by pulling up the loop through all the loops on hook. And the tip of the diamond is made. So then repeat from here to here. Repeat the same set of stitches all the way around, and I'll show you how the round ends. Toward the end of the round, after making the tip of the diamond, then double crochet on the first marked stitch, repeat it on the remaining stitches up to the beginning stitch, which was skipped during the beginning of the round. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that is the last stitch of the round. So we make a seamless ending just like we did before. And this is the end of round 14.